What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hello fellow Tellurians, hope you're all well. There's a few Telstock updates that I want to go over with you in this video. First, I want to talk to you about Octavio Simoes, who is the President and Chief Executive Officer of Tellurian. He basically made an appearance on the US-India Business Council meeting. This was essentially an energy and infrastructure conference call which included this guy right over here. His name is Nitin Prasad and he is the chairman at Shell Companies in India, which is why this meeting is interesting. Now, some of what I'm about to say is obviously pure speculation, but I just want to explore this thought a little bit more, and hopefully you guys can add to this in your comments. But first of all, this looks like a positive sign to me, and it's possible that we might get a deal with Shell in India, which would be massive. As some of you know, a few days ago we officially got the news that the Petronet deal is off. But one interesting thing that I found in the article was this. When asked about the reason for another extension not being sought, Singh said it is not from Petronet LNG, it is from Tellurian. We did not get any requests for an extension, indicating the deal agreement stands annulled. So this basically tells us that Tellurian is not chasing this deal because they don't really need it, and that they have plenty of other options on hand, which is reassuring. Also, the Petronet deal not working out was kind of expected, but nonetheless, the deal is off, so it will be good for Tellurian to sort something out with India soon. Now, the good thing with Shell is that unlike Petronet, Shell is a global company, so hopefully they will be more professional than Petronet, which is an Indian LNG import company. I think Tellurian is more likely talking to multiple companies in India. Personally, I think that more deals are on the horizon, which should push the share price higher. When we take a look at tip ranks, Tellurian has a moderate buy rating. This is based on 8 different ratings. We have an average price target of $6.32 and a high price target of $8, which is what Morgan Stanley's analyst thinks it should be worth. Not too long ago though, the overall stock rating I believe was on a hold on tip ranks, but the outlook for the stock has improved dramatically over the past few weeks. And I think this week is going to be a decent week for us. I just have a hunch and it's pure speculation, but I think we'll get some more positive news, and if that does happen, we should cross that $5 mark. But if we get no news at all, then we might drop down to $4 or even slightly below that because of the hype dying down. However, I'm holding Tell for at least the next 5 years. This is because Tellurian right now is in its infancy, and I think it has the potential to become a behemoth in this industry. This is no done deal by any means, and risks do exist with Tellurian. However, as long as Sharif Suki's name is attached to Tellurian, the percentage of this paying out is a lot higher in my opinion. In the long term, if we keep our diamond hands strong, we could see a 10x to even a 15x from these levels, which would result in some monstrous gains. Now, there is a potential headwind for Telstock in the short term. Not sure how retail investors will react to the news that Zacks has just downgraded Tellurian and has added them to their strong sell list. This is a bit bizarre to me. If anything, now is the time to buy or at least hold Tellurian since it's in a much better place than before. But it's important to keep in mind that Zacks has a history of getting a lot of things wrong as well, so even though it's a bit of a surprise to me, it doesn't change how I feel about my investment at all. It literally changes nothing in my opinion, and I'm still holding my Tellurian shares for the foreseeable future unless something changes fundamentally about the company. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.